In this video, I'll show you how to listen to Spotify music while playing Roblox. Now, I'll be demonstrating this on an iPhone, but this will also work on an iPad as well. And the first thing you need to do is make sure you have this Shortcuts app installed onto your phone. Now, if you don't have this app installed already, then just head over to the App Store, search for Shortcuts, and then just go ahead and download the app. Once you've downloaded and installed the Shortcuts app, simply launch it up like so. Click on the plus symbol in the top right hand side. Using the search box, search for the word play. Then we need to scroll down and select play/pause from this list. Once you've selected play/pause, click on done in the top right hand side. Then you can close out of the Shortcuts app, head over to the settings menu on your phone, scroll down to accessibility and select this. Scroll down to the physical and motor section and we're just going to select touch. Make sure at the top you have assistive touch turned on like so. Then we're going to scroll down to the custom actions and we need to select double tap. In the double tap screen, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and right down here you should see play/pause, so select this. Then once we've done that, we can close out of the settings window, head over to your Spotify application and you can start playing your music. You can then head over to the Roblox application, select the game that you want to join, click on join game, and now that we're in the game, you just need to click on this circular icon in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You need to double click on this. Once you double click on it, it's going to enable it like so. And now if I turn up my volume on my iPhone, it's now going to start playing my Spotify music. Now, this should work in 99% of cases. If it's not working for you, then you may need to head into settings in Roblox, and you may just need to make sure you have voice chat disabled in order for it to work. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.